Game Plan Scheduling module is very, very flexible and gives you the ability to either generate a schedule or to upload schedules that may have already been created in some other format. In order to upload a schedule, we're going to create a new schedule, and that will then create the shell for the new schedule, and we will just name this one upload game schedules. This would be any name that you would find appropriate for that particular schedule, so that you will know what is included in there. The next thing we'll have to do is include the league or leagues that we want to upload the schedules for. So we will add the league, and then we will just simply select a league that we want to upload the schedule. And we're just going to upload it for this one particular facility. And now then we will change the scheduling algorithm from the default that is set in the league to select upload games via metadata. And now we'll save that as well. The next thing we will need to do is to create a Excel spreadsheet that will have the appropriate data in that format. The format for that can be retrieved from the knowledge base. But basically for the upload game formats, we're going to have the time and date, and that's going to be in the format. So you'll need to format the field. That can either be in military time or in AM PM time. It does not matter. Then we're going to have the team name, which is the home team that exists in your site. This team name must match the name of the team that is in that league. If it was CS Squirts with an S on it, and I had the team name CS Squirts without the S, then I would get an error. So make sure that the team names that match. The opponent for the team can be left blank. If you were an external league and you don't know who the opponent's going to be, that can be left blank. If you enter that name, it must be in your team league, the same as a home team name. If it's left blank, you can configure so that the team can enter their opponent once they know who that's going to be. The next field is the location. The location must match the name of the location that you have in your locations and events configuration. And then the last one is the duration of the game, how long that game is going to last, and that would be in minutes and is an integer field. So as you can see here, we have formatted an Excel spreadsheet with a time date in the AM format, the home team name, the away team name, the location, and the duration. So once we have our Excel sheet formatted, we just simply copy that data and paste that into the metadata section for the schedule and save that. And then we simply go to execution and execute that schedule. That will then upload all of those games that we have in our metadata into the schedule, and then once we're satisfied with that, we simply commit the schedule, and they will become live games and available to both the public as well as to the teams, and the teams would then be able to enter their opponents if you have not entered opponents in that. So to execute the schedule, you'll simply select the schedule that you want, and here we would just simply go in and double click on the cog here, and that will then execute that schedule and get those uploaded. Thanks for listening, and if you have any questions, email support@everysport.net. Thank you.